Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to sketch the graph in here. So from negative number 2, that should be in here. Number 2 should be in here. Negative s. So when we put negative number 2 going here, for negative s, we have number 2 in here. And the graph of negative s should be like this. When we put negative number 2 going here and number 2 going here, the graph of this square root we will have like this. Because when s equal to number 0, the square root of number 4, we have number 2 at s equal to number 0 in here. Next, when s is greater than number 2, s minus 2 should be like this. Now, after we draw the graph, we put the circle in here. The y circle, that means when s close to negative number 2, we don't have the value of s in here. But when s equal to negative number 2, we have the value in here. So that is the black. This one, we have the equal sign, so the dot in here should be about black. After we sketch the graph, we can answer about question A to F. When s approach to negative number 2 from the positive side, that's it from here. And we see that they go to number 0. When s approach to negative number 2 on the left, they go in here. And we see that this is about number 2. So when s approach to negative number 2, they does not exist. Because the value of s approach to negative number 2 on the right is not equal to the s approach to negative number 2 on the left. So that's why we write about D and E. When s approach to number 2 on the right, that's it from here. And you got about 0. From the left, they go in here. You got about 0. Because the left equal to the right, so we got about 0. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.